What's up, guys? So, this is my first time doing a YouTube video, but I've done some vlogs here and there. So, I'm actually going to be doing super cheap tool reviews. So basically, something that I'm sure many of us have looked at, and we don't buy it because we have no idea if it's any good. Right here I got the cheapest grinder you can find on eBay. So we're about to open it up. I haven't opened it, I just took it out of the box. So we're gonna open it up and see if it's any good. We'll be able to, put it through some tests, see if it's even worth what it costs. So I bought this for, I believe, like $64, 65 bucks, something like that. But I'm gonna put the link to this exact tool in the description. And that was the price when I bought it. It could change, but I'm gonna put the exact link to this one. So let's open this thing up. We got the good old manual here. I don't know if we're gonna use it or not. We'll see. So this box here, it's like nothing even matches this box. Look at this. Everything's just all over the place. We got this big old battery. Doesn't look too bad, honestly. It's a 18 volt. Got the charger. Looks like you just put it in there. So like no real stand, of course. What do you expect? It was only 65 bucks. And it's a grinder, so we'll test it out. We got the actual grinder itself. It has some decent weight up front, honestly. A little bit more plastic in the back, of course. We got the handle here. It's a real cheap plastic, but it's for both sides. So if you're left-handed, right-handed, you can use it. Let's see. Well, let's put this battery on here. See what the weight is like with the battery. With it, it's not that bad, honestly. It is not bad with the weight. Of course, we haven't tested it, so we gotta see. We got the good old wrench and the shield. So that's it. Oh, wrong way. Somewhere like that, depending on how you're gonna use it. Just got a regular type of fastener here. I guess you could take this off if you have a bigger, different diameter cutoff wheel. I assume, I'm not sure. And it goes on like this. So let's do this. Let's actually turn this thing on here. There it is. Oh, does it lock? Oh, it does lock. Cool. It's not too bad. Seems pretty decent for this cutoff wheel, yeah. Oh, this is a brushless motor, actually. Is what they say, and it says right here, brushless motor. I don't know how we can confirm that other than opening it up. I mean, I'm sure we can, but we're gonna put this thing to some tests. I gotta go buy a cutoff wheel first because I didn't buy one. I gotta look around, see if I have one in my garage. But let's let me go get a cutoff wheel. Let's see what this thing can do. So I had to confirm it. The price on this was 68 bucks, guys. Delivered. So it wasn't even that bad, I guess. Got a cutoff wheel here. You know what? Maybe we should put this on first. So I gotta go get a screwdriver now. We'll leave it for now. Well, it fits pretty good. Shit. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna break the table. We'll tighten that in a minute. So it has a lock feature here, so you can actually get in here and tighten this up. One thing I did notice too was that, I'm not going to turn on because I don't have this on, but there's also a light indicator here, I guess, to let you know that but there's no button. I guess it's like a full button. But there's a light indicator in there. When I turned this on, I saw there's some lights in there to let you know how much charge this bad boy got. But I mean, let's test this thing out, guys. Let me take the camera outside. I'm going to grab some pieces of metals and We're gonna cut some stuff up. So, got just a standard bolt here. Nothing too crazy. I'm just gonna cut through these and then we'll work our way up to something a little bit more heavy duty. But let's try this out. Gotta make sure we have our safety glasses on because I've gotten a piece of metal on mine before and that sucked. So let's test this thing out. So I have a lock feature. I cut that thing like easy. Didn't even struggle. There's a little bit thicker bolt here. Not bad. I think got something a little bit thicker this time. This should take us a little bit of time, but it's not fully charged. I turned it on right out of the box, and it's working. Honestly, pretty awesome. So let's see how this thing does. Good advice. Doing some good use. I haven't used it in a long time. Let's see. Switch this over to this side so we can get some angles. So I understand the cutoff wheel has a lot to do with it, but I mean this motor here is not even struggling as of yet. So let's check this out. I apologize for that, guys. My tripod here just died. We shall continue the cutting. It is not bad, guys. Check this out. You guys can see how thick that piece of metal is, and that cut it pretty damn good. So I'm going to say, guys, for the price that this cost, it's what? I said $68? Definitely worth it, guys. Honestly. I mean, of course, it's for your DIYer. If you're going to be out, doing some work, and you're going to want to get yourself something a little bit more industrial. But this, for people that are at home and like to do, home jobs, or even people that like to work on their cars, you always got to get a grinder and cut something off. This is definitely worth it, guys. Honestly, for the price, I don't really have any complaints other than that box, because that box does not match this tool whatsoever. I need to charge up the battery 100% and see how long this battery will actually last. Put it through a really good test, but with these little tests, guys, it's gonna be in my garage for a while. It's pretty decent. All right, guys, so we're gonna wrap it up here. For the price, it is not bad at all. Honestly, for the $68 I paid, it's honestly pretty worth it. Of course, for the person that's a DIYer, you're gonna be at home, you're gonna be doing some work here and there, then it's fine. But if you're gonna be doing it like for your job, or you're gonna be putting it through a bunch of abuse, I would say probably get something a little bit more expensive, just so you can get the peace of mind of reliability. But if you guys have any more tests you guys want me to put through, I know I only put through 3 tests, but if you guys have something that you guys want me to try, I will try it. But also, I'm going to put a link to this exact tool in the description, and this is an AWSOME. That's the brand. But if you guys have any tools that you guys have seen on eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, Wish, and you guys, you guys are like, I wonder if this is any good. Please put it in the description, guys, and I will buy it. I will try it. And of course, please, guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and share this with your friends. That's going to help me be able to fund these tools, because right now, of course, I have to fund it out of my own pocket. But, with your guys' help and share and support, we can test a lot of cool tools, even if it's not power tools, even if it's just like a ratchet or some weird looking tool that you guys have no idea if it's any good. We'll try it out here, guys, on this channel, and I guarantee it. Please, guys, like I said, like, subscribe, share, tell your friends about it. Thank you guys so much.